we're doing.
We got tested for the Rona. Our 2-year-old can read.
Oh, yay!
Legend.
Hey, Leggy.
Family, it's your girl Queen, and we're back with another vlog. So, as you guys know, we moved 2 days ago, and it's been pretty hectic, and it's still really hectic.
Okay, her hair looking fly. That girl and her friend that was holding the
day right after we moved,
so
it was like a bunch of people
flat iron did they
trying to move and do glam and all that stuff, and it was just like a lot going on. We are back at the old house, and Clarence is currently loading up the elevator with all of our clothes because we left our clothes here. We got a lot of miscellaneous items too, like all this little stuff. We gotta completely clean it. It's just like little things left, like y'all see, like
yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely gotta get these. Today's the last day that the kids are at the school they've been going to, so I'm trying to figure out schooling for them.
Oh, they gotta move
I'm trying to figure out.
schools.
Y'all know CJ been being homeschooled, so I don't know if I should put him in a public school. Now I'm still trying to figure it out, but I guess the area that we're in, their schools are like really good, so good that like you don't even have to pay for a private school. So I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out, and let me go have Clarence say hi to y'all. It's early in the morning. How do you feel?
Hey, Claire.
Either look. Ain't
How he go
spray around after you live somewhere? You wouldn't even expect it. Like, this is one thing I'm gonna miss, y'all. I like our shower now, but as y'all can see, this one is like super
Claire.
spacious. I'm gonna miss the shower for sure. And I don't know. I'm kind of gonna miss the closet too, but I don't know. Pile of clothes here in this elevator. If we wanted to, I think we could pile it to the top, but I don't even want to chance it. I think this thing only has a capacity of 950 pounds. So what happened?
What is it?
Oh, nah. Oof. Well, y'all, I thought we was gonna come here and get everything, but I guess we're not. We're just getting stuff, like clothes for later on, and then I guess Clarence and them is gonna come back and do everything else later on. Definitely a lot going on.
Yeah, moving is a lot, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
This shit is crazy.
Clarence said not having an elevator makes a big difference. Yes, it does.
Even just now, all these clothes, it didn't feel like this because why?
We had an
The
elevator.
elevator just sent that shit downstairs. Like now, this shit about to be hell. The Jeep is literally filled with clothes. Like,
It is. Look at the back of the car, y'all. That's
Oh my
crazy.
gosh. Ooh, that almost fell.
Huffing and puffing. One of those is broken. Currently unpacking, y'all. As y'all can see, most of the boxes are gone over there, but these are all the kitchen boxes. So I'm unpacking, but I have to run, y'all. I'm gonna have an appointment, so I have to cut in between my time, and
Got a jet.
I'm gonna hand this over to Clarence so the next time
Claire.
y'all see the camera.
Claire, you got babysit us.
all right, y'all. So
Hey,
y'all know,
Claire.
y'all know me. Y'all know me. Y'all know where I'm gonna start off.
We already in the clothes and shoes, bruh.
I'm in the closet right now, and I'm just, you know, I'm happy to do this. I'm happy to do this right here. I'm not even like tired or nothing. I went to Starbucks, got me a little iced coffee. You know what I'm saying? Of course, with some almond milk. You know
Almond
what I'm saying?
milk.
Because we do not drink cows over here. You feel me? We don't drink cows on this channel. You already know
Anyway,
where I
it's
started.
good for
I started with
kids
the
though.
drip.
The
You
cow
know what I'm saying?
milk.
Almost
The
together.
kids gotta get the cow milk though.
Jackets
Yeah.
start over there, then hoodies, shirts, like kind of like plain shirts and graphic t-shirts there.
You got a whole
Dang,
department store.
right.
Sweatsuits.
He really organized
I know
with
your
that.
boy loves sweatsuits, so I gotta have a sweatsuit section. Sweatsuits and sets. Those are sets, like if I just want to run somewhere and be flea, these are the sets, but designer sets, you know what I'm saying? This is where the designer section starts from right here. And now, this is all the designer I have right here. All of this is designer. My pants is right here. These are like streetwear brands and kind of like retail brands and stuff. These are gonna have to probably go right here, or I'm gonna have to shelve it. You know what I mean? And then I gotta unpack this suitcase and this suitcase. I know it seems like a lot. It is a lot.
It is a lot.
There's way more. I could even show you guys how much more we gotta unpack. Like that's just not that. And this is all clothes. All clothes. These suitcases are all clothes right here.
Up too.
The
Yeah.
boxes are the bathroom, and we have more bathroom stuff right there. This is our bedroom right now. That door, we gotta fix that door. But this is our better quick like sneak peek of the bedroom.
Okay.
I actually been sleeping amazing. You know what I'm saying? I think this house is beautiful. You know what I'm saying? I think you guys think it's beautiful too. I've been seeing the feedback on it.
Yeah, we like it.
You guys love it, but yeah. Let me get back to this. I'm about to bump the new Drake tape and get to it. I'm gonna try to get this done in the next hour, and then I'm gonna turn on the camera. I'll see y'all.
Oh, y'all, I know it was just at our old house. Oh, I told y'all I had an appointment, so I left. And Clarence had the camera, but Clarence actually has to take a COVID test right now because we were invited to Tiana Taylor's release party for her movie Coming to America, and I'm really, really excited because I really, really want to see it. Oh, do I gotta do it too? Yes, ma'am. Oh, I gotta do it too?
Get a test in the
I ain't got no say I can do it.
Explaining it next.
Look, look.
Why are you throwing me in the fire? So you go first. Ladies first.
I was on the left hand too.
Queen,
Say what?
Just a little bit.
And then you're gonna get your brain tickled next.
Brain tickle next. Wow.
Hey yo.
We all back together.
What?
It feels good. It feels good.
Nigga, we was all together yesterday.
Hey, Clarence, back.
Go back there.
She's like, don't mess with my makeup.
Why Lee holler about boogers?
Why you keep going back? He's like this.
He was in
He
there.
like,
You're next. Go, 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 go. Who's next? Go. Take a COVID test. Take a COVID test.
All right,
Let's check out the
all right,
Y'all
Jerry.
Every time we together.
It's
Look,
Jerry.
Yeah.
Things are good.
Gang.
We also need to do a chain check.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we got on her chain. Look. But no, we did do it at his birthday. They stopped doing that.
Oh no, the big boys out there.
Man.
Can you capture it?
What?
You remember when you told me to get the chain because we're gonna do 9 YouTube videos and all that?
Yeah, I haven't did
seen
one
you
video.
since.
Yolanda. Yolanda.
So you just had me drop
Yolanda.
all this
Who's
money.
Yolanda? Clarence?
I stay with the little.
Tell no Patty.
She said, P.O. and T.O., what is up?
He's using you to
That's
get
what I'm
paid
saying.
after
But he
he
won't
made
do-
you spend the money on it. That's
And you won't even
fame.
do no videos and stuff? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
I like
I mean, the way
Lee.
it's
Yeah.
looking, Royal Family
Yeah.
got T.O. and P.O. beat.
So you see what I have to listen to because of you now?
The Royal Family got y'all beat.
I mean,
It
you guys,
was,
just,
but
you guys just lose
it was-
by default.
It was only allowed because you don't do.
You guys just lose by default. You guys just don't even post. You know? It's
Maybe
not
if
like
we
you
had
guys are
some
making
kids,
it fun.
some kids and their birthday was. That's the only reason why they have videos.
No, that's not the truth.
The kids
That's
and their
not the truth.
birthday.
And we moved.
And we move.
Towards his
Oh, you
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Did you pull a booger out?
Look, he don't like it now. He make fun of Queen. His head went just back, just as far.
Look, now, look, his nose right about to bleed.
Nah, that was him. I'm not gonna lie, that shit got me tearing.
No, he is true.
Oh, look
Oh,
at
they,
him.
It's a real tear.
Look at face.
Modern Lee got the
Please,
same
bro.
nose.
Yes, you did. Like you do me dirty, man.
Dirty.
Why you do her dirty?
You do me dirty.
never do you dirty with
You have broke her heart.
Completely dirty.
nose ready. It's like the bucket of chicken getting lower by the side.
Get your nose
Get
ready.
your nose ready. Get your nose open your nostrils.
I'm gonna sneeze. That's what's gonna happen. It's gonna tickle my nose.
Yeah, like great contact.
Someone's a great contact. She gonna break your
You look
camera.
like old P.O.
Why is she gonna be old
You like the old P.O. Remember you used to have the braids and the earrings standing out there in the middle of the street?
Oh, come on, that's not high school picture.
You like the old P.O. Got it.
Girl, her dimple's still in there when they in her nose.
Try not to speak.
This one is a little
freaky.
okay.
I see some green on there.
So you started at 5. This one.
Oh, I got the best angle.
Lee, that wasn't bad, wasn't it?
No, it wasn't bad, but she started on 5 at the last one.
So tell me, was Clarence being dramatic?
Yeah, very dramatic.
He is very dramatic, bro.
Most dramatic.
I'm my own person.
He mad.
He big
He
man.
being dramatic.
He
mad.
I am me.
That's why I am me.
Why are you dramatic?
He's dramatic. He mad though.
Alright. They've been putting jerk sauce in your nose since you was a little baby.
Jerk sauce on your nose.
Oh, y'all are supposed to make it jerk sauce.
Because he's getting me tired.
Why he cracking
I'm
himself
crying
up?
because he be having hella sofrito jokes for me. That's why your nose don't burn.
Jerk juice in your nose.
You've been jerking since.
Y'all doing too much.
Way too much.
If they would have dipped it in a little sazon before they wiped your nose, you probably would have.
His nose still messed up.
Put it in there comfortably.
Maybe. Also, again, your nostrils develop certain features from drinking pineapple soda since 3.
Pineapple soda.
You know the Jamaican
You
thing.
gotta stop.
Leave him alone.
Your nostrils develop
That's
certain
good,
features
actually.
after drinking pineapple soda since 3.
Well,
Pineapple
by
soda's
the
the
age of
bomb,
5,
yeah.
Clarence knew how to cook a plants. You can cook pancakes and plantains by the age of 5.
But plantains is Jamaican too, though.
You know, Jerry don't know what he's talking about.
Oh, y'all. It's early in the morning. Alright, it ain't that early. It's like maybe 9 something. Had a late night, as y'all can see. We went to
Girl,
see.
are you just
Coming
taking
to
your
America.
makeup out?
I told you that. It was super dope. It was super cold outside. I mean, they had this food truck, y'all. It was like po' boys and stuff, and it was like some shrimp and
Okay.
hush puppies and all types of stuff. It was so good. It was super dope. It was super dope. I ain't gonna lie. But it was dumb cold, and I went to sleep some late. But the kids are up here now, so I'm gonna wash my face and then have CJ and Lillian say what's up to the camera because I ain't seen them in a minute. So I'm still boxed up. We slept with everything like this, and the movers are fixing our wardrobe.
Oh, that's
But
good.
you guys, what y'all think? Like, should we get a new bed or should we keep this one?
That fits perfectly.
I don't know what we're
Just
gonna
get
do.
some nice sand.
Should we keep this one and like maybe change the colors around? Like, I love these colors by the way though.
Yeah. That's
They're so like clean and smooth. Yay, Legend!
Hey,
Said
Legend.
black, but it was off camera. Legend just woke up and it's the first thing he wants to do.
Ah, artist.
Oh my god. Legend.
They was supposed to
And then
cut
he
with
cried.
I'm making paper mache.
Show
Yeah,
y'all.
wait.
He said bye.
Oh, why you say bye?
Because he ripped it off.
And he looked.
Yeah, I was trying to show people my picture.
Whose idea was this to do that? Yours or
I
his?
don't know.
Jay's upstairs in the bath. But Leggy woke up sick. I don't know what happened, but his nose was really running. Legend, can I see your nose? Nose. Point to your nose.
Aw.
Point to your nose.
So I don't feel like you.
No, it's not the dust that's making him get a cold. I think it's like literally, I don't know what it is, but it seems like every time I wash Legend's hair, y'all, even if it's like,
It gotta be.
yeah, it's his, I think it's his, because when you open your scalp, you know, but every time I wash his hair, even if it's the night before, like school, for some reason he still get like a little sick. Like his nose start to run, so I'm like, well dang, do I not wash his hair? Or like, do I need to blow dry it afterwards?
Yes.
Why he say yes?
Me trying to blow dry
Especially
his hair?
in the winter though.
I
Yeah.
don't know how it's gonna work.
Girl, section it off now.
I told him he could wipe this off. Ain't nothing. Ain't no one will.
Oh, we back.
Clap. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If
Aww.
you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
He said you get
If
couple.
you're happy and you know it, and you really
Oh,
know
look
it,
Ah,
clap
girl,
your
girl.
hands. If you're happy and you know it, stump your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stump your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stump your feet. Yay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say
She's
that.
talking some yay.
Okay, I'm gonna let you get back to drawing.
He's like, I'm
Yeah,
busy
garage.
working.
So the last garage had like some kind of shiny
Claire
floors or
is
something.
working. He is
This one is
busy.
just a garage, but it's still spacious in here. And I know y'all probably wondering where's Clarence's Corvette. Here, it's over here.
Yeah.
Second garage.
That's why Claire wanted them cars.
Right, exactly.
All those garages.
Exactly.
Hi, CJ. Yeah.
All right, big boy.
Oh, you like the cereal? What cereal you eating? Golden crisps. And Legend, you know, Legend still doing the same thing, eating Cheerios. Oh my God, ain't you so happy we in a new house?
Yeah, but we don't have no Wi-Fi.
CJ.
We don't have no
Exactly.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. We'll get
The
Wi-Fi.
sugar is real, yo.
You want to go to a new school?
Why?
Why you look at him like that? Like, why you just side-eye CJ like that?
Why Claire sneaking around the back?
My cereal.
He said, I sure wish I had some milk.
That's so cute. I'm going to show y'all his room soon, but let me show y'all our pantry so far.
All right.
So far,
Okay.
the pantry, you see all these
coming along.
containers, so y'all?
Yes.
We want to get some more of those.
Yeah.
Oh, I got the cereal back. But we want to get some more of those containers so that it aesthetically looks, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah, I see
Yeah.
you. That's gonna be nice.
But so far, I love how much space we have in here. Do you want to keep doing homeschool, or do you want to go to school, like get on a bus and go to school with like early in the morning with kids? Which one you want to do?
Go to school.
You want to go to school? You're gonna be in first grade next year. Oh my goodness, you're gonna be in first grade.
How? I'm not 6 though.
Yeah, well not right now, but when the
So
school year starts.
smart,
So smart.
Oh my goodness, you're gonna be in first grade. Yummy.
Is Reggie gonna be in first grade?
No, not yet. He's still a baby. I think he starts school when he is
Bye.
like preschool when he's like 4.
He's at
No,
5.
I was just about to say 4.
Yeah. He's so cute. You need a haircut though. And Legend, whew, I don't know, man. His hair is hectic. Watch when I sing, y'all. You move mountains. You cause walls to fall.
I gotta see myself in the
Through
mirror.
your power. Perform miracles. There is nothing that's impossible.
Just smell.
And we're standing here
Aww.
only because you made a way. I love you, Legend.
I think it's when you sing gospel songs, girl.
Yeah.
This is blowing my mind. I'm literally spelling out words and Legend is reading it. Look at this, y'all. This is super crazy. Hold on. Hold on, Papa. No. Watch this, y'all.
Baby.
Wow, good job.
Baby. Apple.
Wow.
Good job.
Dog.
Wow.
Boy.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Good job.
I just shot my little dog.
That's cat.
I just shot my little dog.
What's this? That. Oh my goodness, he is so smart.
Good job, Legend.
Good
He read
job.
every word on there. You are a smart genius. You know that? Okay, let's let you know. I'm so mad right now. I'm so jealous right now. It's not fair. It's just not fair, y'all. Like, first of all, look at all of this. I'm trying to unpack, right? So far,
Oh,
I got
yeah, you
my
did a
vagina
good
drawer
job.
Together. my facial
Big old
drawers,
drawers.
everything for my face. Oh, nothing here yet. I've gotten like my soap and body stuff together, and this is all the stuff I throw away. I'm like a hoarder. I have so many things. I got a Plan B pill. Like, I don't know why I have this pill in there. And then, you know, look at all of that. Just look at my side.
Oh, wow.
Still have hair things. All my hair stuff that I have to pack away. Ooh,
What about
still got a whole makeup drawer. And this Negro is done.
Oh.
He's done.
Maybe
but
he
first
didn't
of
have
all,
as
he's
much
done with
as
his
you.
drawers. Let's see what you did.
Oh,
Let's see what
he
you
didn't
got.
have a lot. That's
All
why
his
he
cologne
done,
and
girl.
And this Negro got the nerve to be in the shower.
Why are we showing his man in the shower?
He
He
got in a
got the
minute.
nerve to be almost done
No, he been doing that. We saw him do that.
in his closet. This
You
is
was
pissing me
working though.
Right.
off. Like, look at that. Hats all lined up.
You were working.
Yeah.
Sweats all folded. It's just unfair.
Nah, he
I think
was
I'm
listening to
coming,
Drake.
like, to realize that
Yeah, Drake helped a lot.
maybe really something is wrong with me, because
Queen.
I just realized that everything in this box I've had since 2018,
Oh.
and I have not used it. And
Oh, sis, it's probably
and you know
expired.
what? I used fight back with him on that, but I ain't even got the time or patience, because I know that's what I am. Change starts with admittance and acceptance, and I've accepted that I am a hoarder, but I've been accepted this way when I threw out. I've been accepted this when I threw out the last batch of my clothes.
Claire, you are a gym shoe hoarder, so
Right.
Now I'm realizing I hoarded a lot more than just clothes. Like, I've hoarded lubrications.
girl,
I've
stop.
hoarded
Say lotion.
off spray.
Off
Like, we
spray.
don't use off spray. We don't go outside.
We don't go outside.
Might need it over here.
We can buy a new one. And I did not realize that stuff has an expiration date. I didn't know that
Yeah,
lotions and all that stuff. And that's why I was wondering why my Victoria's Secret lotions were so watery.
Oh, sis.
Girl, what did you
Too
turn
much.
watery?
So watery and not creamy.
Don't do it,
But
girl.
there is something that I want to use.
Queen,
Turn
please.
Now that we have a bathtub, I want to use a CBD bath bomb. Babe, Epsom, tomato, just
What
like
is,
you were saying.
girl, it's Epsom salt.
Look, they're called. Look, me and Lee said beignets, and then we heard somebody in front of us say, "Can I get a beignet?"
Oh,
So I'm like, this
beignet.
whole time,
You know that guy was Cam Newton, right? I knew you didn't know.
She gonna whisper.
He's a famous football player.
Oh, okay, yeah, I don't know I don't know sports.
That's why he was so big. How? You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, like my side.
You gonna help
Don't
me?
make her feel
Look at
bad.
the curly waves.
Yeah, like my side.
Uh-huh.
Comment right now if you like my side. I really put a lot of work
So
in it.
tell them though, like, I know we still unpacking and we got a lot to do, but how do you feel so far in our new home?
I feel amazing. I love it.
He done took a
I
shower.
love the space. I love
Right.
the like uncrowdedness that it brings. It makes me happy.
Makes you feel more.
Yeah.
And this is the house, y'all, that we will be living in until we get our
Yeah.
permanent house built.
Facts.
And, you know, we
Facts.
still are working on, we have not bought the land yet, because now we might want to relocate our land maybe to a closer area. So, remember that vlog that we had? That
Oh,
was
yeah,
like,
the
this is
school
land we
district.
wanted? Like,
Yeah.
now we don't.
Maybe we're still doing bidding. They kind of came back and said they want a little more than what they was
Asking for it first.
first told us. Yeah.
But now that we moved here, and this is like not too far from the city, but also not super far out.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so we might want to find land here. So I don't know, but this is a perfect place to live until all of that. It's big, and the kids will have space. We have 2 more of those Jack and Jill rooms that y'all kept saying give the kids.
Yeah.
I really after I seen the comments, I was like, oh, well, maybe I should, because that's what I wanted to do initially. But when I realized that like the TV in there was just too big in the background, I was like, I'm just getting in that room, and they love it. So plus Legend and CJ, they got to bathe at the same time.
I love the bathtub.
Yeah. So and
CJ didn't want to sleep by himself, and those Jack and Jill rooms are kind of small for both of them.
Yeah. So we don't know what we're gonna do with those rooms yet, but this is a whole journey. So y'all, I guess you guys will see what we do. But thank y'all for being patient with us and still rocking with us.
Thanks for having us.
We got a lot of good things coming. I ain't gonna tell y'all, but we had an interview, and that's all.
Ew.
But peace out, and peace, love, and hair grease. Make sure y'all stream Misunderstood, and my deluxe is coming soon.
Okay,
I worked really hard for you guys. We both have, and I'm telling you, we're not about to play with this content. You know what I'm saying? For the royal family.
Content
so look forward to daily vlogs. You know what I'm saying? Consistent vlogs and consistent bangers. You know what I'm saying? New house.
New vibes.
New bills.
Right.
New rap.
So true.
New videos.
New money. Bye, y'all.
He gonna keep it real. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell to become part of the Noto Squad.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.